There are very few schools for Surds. So we'll go through them again: division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So for multiplication, what we do, suppose we have a square root b times c square root d. So we multiply the numbers outside and we multiply the numbers inside. 2 square root 3 into 4 square root 5. So 2 4 times is 8 and 3 5 times is 15. Outside number with outside, inside number with inside. Same goes with division. 8 square root 30 divided by 4 square root 2. So outside number with outside. 4 1 times, 4 2 times, 2 1 time, 2 15 times. Multiplication and division. Now addition and subtraction are more or less same. You can only add when a square root b plus c square root b. When these two are same, you can only add them when they're same or subtract them when they're same. So this would be a plus c square root b. Example with numbers: 3 square root 2 plus 7 square root 2. So 3 plus 7 is 10. That is 10 square root 2. Imagine if the number is like 3x plus 7x and x is equal to square root 2. So we'll just add them and write 10x. This is multiplication, addition, division, and subtraction also in the same way. Suppose 5 square root 3 minus square root 3. So that is 5 minus 1, which is 4 square root 3. Now, how do you simplify the numbers? Obviously, with calculator, you do have solutions, and without it, how do we do? Suppose I have 25. I know that's a perfect square of 5. If I need to show some working, 5 square root 5 or 5 square, and that's 5. But what if we do not have perfect squares? For example, square root 24. I need to know the breakdown of its multiples. So 2 times is 12, 2 times is 6, 2 times is 3, and 3 times is 1. So there are 3 2's and 1 3. Now when we are dealing with square root or under root, I need to write them as pairs. So this is 2 square and there's 1 2 left and 1 3 left. Whenever we multiply, I can split them up. 2 square into 2 into 3. So basically this is whole square. This gets rid of the square root and I'm left with 2 outside, and 2 into 3 is square root 6. So I can write square root 24 as 2 square root 6. Another example, square root 18. Not a perfect square. 2, 9 times 3, 3 times 3, 1 times. So there's one pair. We can write 3 square into 2 whole square root. Now I'm skipping one step and bringing 3 outside directly. So 18 could be written as 3 square root 2. Let's move toward the exercise. Write each of these as single surds or integer answers. So first one is multiplication. So we multiply the inside numbers with inside and outside with outside. So 3 5 times is square root 15. Next one, both of them are same. Square root 5 into square root 5 is just 5. Basically, same numbers. So I can make a square of that, and it's only 5. C part, square root 119 whole square. So we cancel out this square with square root and then left with 119. D part, we can divide the numbers inside the square root. 6 one times, 6 4 times is 24. So I'm left with square root 4, which is again 2. Now 2 5 times, outside number with outside, 2 5 times is 10. 3 into 12 is 36. So it is 10 square root 36, whereas square root 36 is 6. So final answer is 60. F part is outside number divided by outside. 35 by 5 is 7 and 20 divided by 2 is 10. And this is the answer. Any confusion till now?
No, sir.
Okay, try this first one. Multiplication. Square root 2 into square root 7. Final answer is
Uh, 2.
final answer is square root 14.
Oh,
We multiply the numbers inside. Square root 5 into square root 11 is
35. Square root 35.
11 into 5 is
Oh, 55. 1185. My bad. I thought so.
55. Question number 3 is division. 6 1 times, 6 10 times. So this square root 10. Ali, try number 4. Ali, can you hear me?
I think he left, maybe.
Okay. Oh, yes. Ali, can you hear me? Meanwhile, Harris, can you try this?
Yes, sir. I can try. Okay. So, which is 10 2. So, 5.
Very good. That is square root 5.
5.
Next
Yeah.
one.
This will be square root uh, square root 9
That's good. We can further simplify this.
into 3, maybe 3.
3, yes. Number 6.
It will be 35.
That is multiplication. Harris, 7
Oh,
7,
yes,
not
sir.
5.
49. Oh, my bad.
So square root 49 and this will be
3. 7. 7, I mean.
7. Ali, are you there? Ali, try number 7. So that is 75 divided by 5, which is 15. Yes. So square root 15. Ali, try 8.
So,
That's right. 2 into 3 into 5 is square root 30. Ali, number 9.
635.
635. Yes. Ali, square root goes away with the power.
Yes.
So 635. Haris, number 10.
Number 10. Number 10. Okay. So, wait. Sir, actually, how do you solve this one?
Outside number with outside, inside with inside.
Oh, okay. So it will be 15 under root 14.
Yes. Ali, 11th. Outer number with outer, inner with inner.
Yes.
5.
Yes. 20 by 4 is 5, and again 20 by 4 is 5.
Yes.
Haris, 13th.
Yes, 13th. Okay. 13th will be 10. I mean, 5 into 8 divided by 4. 5 into 1.6. 5 under root 1.6.
Haris, outer number divided by outer number.
Oh, 10 divided by 2 is
10
4.
divided by 5. That's 5.
Oh, my bad. Oh, yes.
By 5 is
10 by 5 is 2, and 8 by 2 is 4. So 2 and 4.
2 square root 4. We
Yes.
can further solve this. Square root 4 is
2.
2. So 2 time is
Uh,
4.
4. Yes.
So basically 10 square root 8 divided by 5 square root 2 is 4. Ali, try number 12.
So it will be 5, 6, 60.
That's right. 2 3 times is 6, and 5 into 20 is 100, and further that is 6 into 10
That's it.
is 60. Very good. Haris, 14th.
14th. Okay.
We can also write this number in this way, as in this is
14. Oh, yeah. It will be 3 into. I think so. 3 to 9. 9.
yes. Both of you, 15th question.
15th question. Okay. 3, 3, 30, 36.
Once we will be
30 divided by 6. 5. 3, 14 is 4. 3.
Did someone say 5?
No, yes, Ali said, I think so.
That's right. 3 into 10 is
So the result is
30, and
so it
30
will
divided
be
by 6 is 5.
5 plus
5 into
7
7.
and
5 into
7.
7. Yes.
5 square
5
root
and
7.
7. Yes, sir.
Yes. Number 16.
Number 16th. Okay. Work out the area of the shape. Uh, 102. A multiplied by B. That would be 102.
Yes. Length into breadth.
Yes.
Area is equals to length into breadth, where length is 3 square root 45 into breadth
Yeah.
is 2
So
square root 5.
3, 6, 6.
6, right? Square root.
Yes, 6 into 45. 5 is 2 to 5. So 6
2 to
into
5.
so
And we know 2 to 5 is a perfect square.
yes. So it will be in 6.
225 is a square of 15.
Oh,
So 6 into 15 is 90 centimeter square. B part again, area.
area. Okay. What was this? A and to B maybe. I think so.
Area is 1 by 2 base into height because this is triangle.
Yes. Okay.
So we plug in the values. Base is 4 square root 18 and height is 5 square root 8.
Yes. So it will be for 20 into 8. 1 more 4 4. So it is. I think so.
Okay, 4 5 times is 20. Yes, 18 into 8 is 144. Yes. So 2 1 times, 2 10 times, that is 10. And square root 144 is 12. 120 centimeter square.
Yes. 12.
Question number 17. Given that A is this, B is this, C is square root 15, work out the values of A, B, or C. So we just
Okay. So we'll just put the values. It will be 2 into 30. So it will be 60. 60 over 15. So it will be 4 under root.
that's
So
correct. So 15 one times, 15 two times, and square root 4 is 2. Or in other ways, 2 into 30 was square root 60 by square root 15. 15 one times, 15 four times, so square root 4 and again equal to 2.
now simplifying.
Simplifying surds and just in this way, like square root 24 and square root 18. So we need to split them, write them as product of prime numbers, and then bring the ones with pairs outside. We can also do this with cube root, but in that case, we need to write the threes, write them in set of threes. Suppose this was cube root 24. So cube root 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now in this case, I'll make pairs of 3. 2 cube root into cube root 3. So I'll write 2 cube root 3. Cube root 24 could be written as 2 cube root 3. But in this case, we are just dealing with square roots. So it says simplify using the rules of surds. Square root 50. So 50 is 2, 25, 5, 5, and 5, 1. So square root 50. I can see this pair directly. So may I write 5 square root 2?
Yes.
Whatever is left, we will multiply it. Let me take an example of a random number. Let's say the number is A, B, C, and we are getting 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5. Okay. So basically, what is square root A, B, C? Square root A, B, C is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So basically, I can see 1, 2, and 3 pairs. And what are we doing? We are bringing these pairs outside without square. So may I write 2 into 3 into 5 square root 3? This is the square root 3 which is left alone. So 5 to the 10, 10 3 is the 30. This is 30 square root 3. Getting the concept?
Yes, sir.
So square root 63. So 63, 3, 21, 3, 7, and 7, 1. So I can see this pair. So this is 3 square root 7. If I write it in detail, I would be writing 3 into 3 into 7. And then I can write 3 square into 7. And this square cancels out. So 3 square root 7. Why is this cancelling out? Because they were 2. They were in pair. So I directly wrote 3 outside and 7 inside. Try C part.
C part,
Be careful, there is no root in the denominator.
well,
Be
so it will be 4 into 4, 3, 2, okay.
Ali, are you trying this?
yes.
Uh,
I'll also share a worksheet of indices today, apart from this book.
okay.
Still trying?
Sir, no, no, sir. I think I'm done. It will be part D, right?
Square root 12, C part.
Oh, C part is 3, sir. Under root 3.
Under root 3. Let me go through the working. 2, 6, 2, 3, and 3, 1. So there are these 2's. I can now write 2 square root 3. So in place 2 square root 3 by 2, get rid of this, that is square root 3. And what about D part?
D part, yes, I did D. So, uh, D, 75 under 80. So, 75 under 1, 2, 3.
At least 75 and 98 could be represented as
25 into 3
this.
and 49.
So looking at these, I have one pair of 5 and 3. So may I write square root 75 as
So,
5 square root 3?
yes.
And then square root 98, I have one pair of 7. So that comes out square root 2. And the question was multiplying them. So 7 5 times is outside number with outside. 7
Outside
5 times
So,
is
something. Oh,
35.
35. And 3 2 times is
6.
6.
okay.
So this is 35 square root 6. E part. 216, 32, and 147. So these are our numbers. This is square root 216, square root 32, and square root 147. So what do you get from square root 216? 1, 2. So outside is 2 into 3, and inside is 2 into 3. Any issues with 216?
No.
Now look at square root 30, 32. 1, 2. Outside is 2 into 2, and inside is alone 2. Then we have 147. Outside is 7, and inside is 3. Now we just need to simplify. This 2 can we cancel out with this. So in the numerator, I'm left with 3 square root 6. And denominator is 2 7 times is 14 and square root 6. So finally 3 by 40. Any issue, Ali?
No, sir.
Okay, so these were examples. Now we come to the practice exercise. Find the value of k in each of these. This is clearly 60. 15 into what is 60?
10 into what is 60? No, 4.
4. So k is 4. 4 into 15 will be 60. Right hand side, B part, that is square root 20, and we know 20 is 2, 10, 2, 5, 5, 1. So if I write square root 20, this is pair of 2, I can write 2 square root 5.
Yes.
So what is k?
2.
So k in this case is 2. Now try C part.
Uh, uh, 3 into dash is. Uh, I think so.
Just
It
simplify
is.
square root 18 and you'll
Oh,
get
yeah.
k.
6.
No,
No?
simplify square root 18. Square root 18
Oh,
is
uh,
18 to 9, 3, 3, 3, 1.
3. Okay.
So square root 18. What can we write for square root 18?
3.
That is 3 into 3 into 2, which becomes 3 square root 2.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So square root 18 could be written as 3 square root 2. Now see what k is.
2. Okay, my bad. My bad.
Is equal to 2.
K will be 2.
Okay.
Now simplification. Definitely we will have our calculator with us in exam. But these questions would require working.
Yes, sir. I'm doing that.
Try a few questions and you can always check them with your calculator later.
Yes.
Can do 3. So we got 3, 3, 5. Maybe 3, 3, 5. So 3, 3, 2. I think it's 5. No, just
And what
wait.
is outside?
Outside will be 3. No.
That's right.
Yes, okay.
5. Yes, sir.
3
Yes, sir.
square root 5. Now there were two ways. One is the usual one which we are
Yes, I
doing.
did this one. So this will
3
be 3 and 15, then again 3, then 5.
and then 5. So we had two of threes, so that came out as single 3 and then one 5.
Sir, actually, I don't understand when to put outside or inside. Like, oh,
This is the pair.
okay. So the
One
pair is outside.
number comes outside. Why does one number come outside? I'll show you. 3 into 3 into 5 square root. Square root 45 could be written like this.
Yes.
Now see, there are two threes, so which will make it 3 square. Now this square gets him outside, gets him released. So that is 3 square root 5. This is 3 coming out because that was a pair. Everything without pair is inside.
Yes.
Now, could I have written as 5, 9 times is 45? And if I just write them separately, square root 5 into square root 9, we know square root 9 is 3. So 3 square root 5. So either you do with uh, prime factorization, or you do it this way.
So the next one will be 2 in 7, 2 under root 7.
That is right, 2 under root 7. I can see this is 4 into 7.
Yes.
Square root 4 into square root 7. 4 7 times 28, and square root 4 is 2 square root 7. The approach could be different, but you'll get the same answer. The square root 72. My calculator says 6 square root 2. Are you getting the same answer manually?
For which one?
Yes.
C part.
C part. Okay.
May I
Okay.
write 72 as 2 into 36?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 2 stays there, and square root 36 is
Mhm.
square
6.
root 36 is 6. Yes. So 6 square root 2. So we just simplifying the surds. Now simplify square root 9.
Okay. 15, 3. It's 2 into 3, maybe.
Finally, no.
No, just wait. Ah, yeah. 13 or 5. It will be 15, maybe. No. 3 multiply 5. 45. No. X.
If
Nine.
you are going through prime factorization,
3 into 5 to the 10. 3 into 10.
3 square root 10.
Ah, yeah, 3 is square root 10. My bad.
Yes. Ali, do we have the same answer?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And let me just discuss the two of the workings
Yes.
because we are getting stuck on questions. So if
Uh,
we go through prime factorization, 2, 45, 3
15
times is
and
45,
then 5. Yes.
3 again is 5, 5 and 1. Now see, Haris, we have only one pair.
Yes, sir. We'll do 5 to the 10
Outside
and yeah.
and inside numbers multiplied with each other, that is 2, 5 times is 10.
Yes,
That
sir.
was one way. The other is when I look at this 90, I can see this is 9 into 10. So square root 9 is simply 3 square root 10.
Yes.
Now look at that 125. May I write 125 as 25 into 5?
Yes. 25 into 5.
Now the first one, square root 25 is written as 5. The final answer is square root 5.
Okay. And any other method? And अच्छा हाँ यही वाला सही से. Okay.
The other one is prime factorization.
Yes. Sir, I got it. So F. We can do F now. 18. So 3 into 2. F for F.
Square root 54 divided by 3.
18.
3 into 2 under the root.
3 and
That's 6.
6. Okay. 106. Okay.
G part.
G part. Sir, G part is. Where is my. Okay. G part is 20 divided by uh 2.5. 2.5. No.
Aris,
Oh,
denominator is not with square root. No
my
two
bad.
point fives.
Okay.
Yes, okay. And okay, so
Just simplify square root 20 alone.
yes. 2 into 5, so 5
So,
divided by 2.
Sorry, did you say 2.5 or 2 square root 5?
So I said 2.5.
Okay. May I write 20 as 4 into 5?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So like I got under root 5 over 4.
That is correct. So when this 4 comes out, that is 2 square root 5 by 8. Now 2 1 times, 2 4 times. So square root 5 by 4.
Yes.
Question number 3. Explain why square root 30 cannot be simplified.
X 30 cannot be simplified because
It's
uh,
there's it's not a like
because
square.
it's not a prime. No, it's a prime number. No.
30 is not prime, it is even.
Oh my bad.
Sir, it cannot be like there's no square root for it.
So I think so
Like
because
It
uh,
cannot.
simplified. It cannot be
it
simplified.
cannot be simplified.
So like we have to show the steps or the word. We have to write a statement.
Because in 30, when we write it as product of prime factorizations, there are no pairs.
Oh,
30, 2, 15, 3,
and
5,
5.
5,
So
1. Because 30 is equals to 2 into 3 into 5. There are no pairs in prime factorization of 30. So square root 30 is equals to this is equals to square root 30. It stays as it is. Show that 5 square root 2 in its simplest form is n square root 3. So we just need to simplify 5 square root 12.
just show the working. Yes.
So can I write 12 as 4 into 3?
4 and 3, yes, sir.
And when we solve only 4, that will be 2 and it will come outside. So 2 5 times is 10
10 and
square root
3,
3.
yes, sir.
Again, some more questions and simplification.
Yes, it's the same.
Try square root 48 and please try that without calculator.
Yes.
Yes.
Examiner would expect working.
Yes, sir. I'm on the working. Uh, 48. So 48 over 2 maybe. 2, 24, 2, 24,
So
12,
5,
2, 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So 3, 6 is equal to uh, sir, 2 under root 6. No,
No.
no. Just wait. We got a pair here. So 6, no. 6 multiplied by 3. No. 12. So 12.
so it will be
6 only, sir.
403.
Yes, 4 and root 3.
Oh,
We did so many questions, Haresh, where you getting stuck.
My bad.
48. 2 is 24. Again with 2 is 12.
yes,
Again
sir.
with 2 is 6. With 2 is
Yes.
3. And lastly 3 with 2.
Oh, I did a
Now see
mistake.
how many pairs? One pair, two pairs. So these are coming out as singular numbers. 2 into 2.
Yes.
And the last one, which is not a pair, stays inside. So 2,
Yes.
2 times is 4 square root 3. Same way, 180. So if I have 182, this is 92, 45, 3, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. See, Harris, one pair, two pair. 2, 3 times is 6, and 5 is left alone. So this is 6 square root 5.
Yes, sir. 3 into 50. So 50. Sir, out we do that one. So 4 into, oh my bad. 3 into 10 multiply 15 prime factor 2 multiplied by 5. 2 multiply 5 multiply by 5 and so then we'll go and 3 oh, 3 into 2 no,
Seven,
multiply
eight,
15 into 2 15 into 2 maybe
Yes.
50 to 2, let's say.
15 square root 2. So it was 50, 2 into 25, then we have 5, 5 times, 5 1 times. So I can clearly see this one pair, and this is staying inside.
yes
So I can write 50, only 50 as 5 square root 2. Now we multiplied the outside numbers. 3, 5 times is 15, and square root 2 stays there. D part. 2 square root 18.
9 9 3 3 3 so it will be 3 no 3 2 wait what did you do here 3 into 5 into 2 3 into oh, okay understand right 2 into 3 into 2 so it will be 6 into 2 6 under root 2
Very good. Ali, do we have the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, do you know the task? These are left. Do try them. Meanwhile, let's try a few questions of addition and subtraction and question 7 and 8 as well. Now, see, these square root, they need to be same, exactly same. So, square root 2, 10 minus 7 is 3 square root 2. Now, when we have to solve square root 6 and square root 24, so first I need to simplify square root 24. 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. So I have one pair. 2 is coming outside and
we'll just change the outside
2,
one
3 times 6 is inside. So this is square root 6 plus 2 square root 6. Right? Now finally I can write this as 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 square root 6. So these two numbers could be written as 3 square root 6.
okay
And I'm checking it quickly with the calculator. And yes, I'm getting 3 square root 6. Approach
uh,
may be different. You will always get the same answer. Now look at square root 27 and 12. Square root 27
9
is basically 27, 3, 9, 3, 3, and 3, 1. One pair outside and one stays inside. So this is 3 square root 3, right? Now with 12. So when we look at 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. So this is the pair. 2 comes outside, 3 stays inside. Minus 2 square root 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So that is 1 square root 3, finally square root 3. And in the same way, this is worked example, and you have this exercise. So 1.8b, question 678. I'll also write this. And I'll also share one worksheet along with answers.
Okay, sir.
Anything you need to ask? This
Awesome. No, sir.
So you need to go through these. Keep your calculator along with you, but do try without it first and then check.